Welcome back to the Handwriting OT. Today we are going to learn the capital letter B. The B is a jump frog letter that begins in the starting corner, and it has one big line and two small curves. So first, we need to make sure that we have our chalkboard, our chalk, wet sponge, and paper towel. We're going to start in the starting corner right up here at the top where our smiley face is. And we're going to take our chalk and say, big line down, jump frog, little curve, little curve. And that makes our capital B. So now we want to make sure we take our wet sponge and trace it, big line down, jump frog, little curve, little curve. And then we're going to take our paper towel. In the starting corner, big line down, jump frog, little curve, little curve. And then last, we're going to go back and we're going to start in the starting corner. Big line down, jump frog, little curve, little curve. So sometimes our students have difficulty knowing where to aim when they're making their little curves. And what you could do is add a little dot right here, so that kind of gives them a visual cue to know where they should come in with that little curve. Now subscribe to the Handwriting OT for more tips and videos. Have a great day.